Hi, this is Ray again. We're going to do our first lesson, and the first lesson is how to create a website so that you could turn in your work and your assignments. So let's show you how to set that up. First of all, you log into your Gmail account, your email. Everything you do must be posted on a website that you create for this class. In this way, I'll be able to find all your work in one place, and you can look at each other's work as well for collaboration and for ideas. Now that you've logged into your Gmail, and your Gmail account is the key to the entire Google universe. From your login, you'll be able to create websites, documents, surveys, spreadsheets, presentations, hangouts, etc. The whole free Google universe is yours because you have a Gmail account. I actually have over 2 dozen Gmail accounts, and I'll be telling you why I have so many in the time that we have together in the future. Okay, so now that you've logged into Gmail, go to More, Even More, scroll down to Sites, and I already have a site, and this is the class website, and so I'm going to create another one. But what you should be looking at is something like this: blank template, classroom site. It's awfully tempting to click the classroom site, but you'll wind up having to erase way more than you use, so let's just leave it blank. You want to name your site. I'm going to name it, and all URLs must have something unique because you can't have the same URL. So I'm going to put my name, and there's that won't be unique. So I add things like LMU EDES 5252. Now, no one else in the world is going to have that name for a website. And let's select a theme. You just pick one that you like. I'm going to go with this one because I haven't used it before. And then let's click here and enter the code that proves you're not a robot. Then click Create. Create. Okay, so here's our created website. To make changes, you just click on the pencil, which is the edit tool, and let's add my full name. I teach at El Segundo High School. I've been there for about 25 years. And this is LMU EDES 5252. And let's put my email address where you can email me. And save it. Let's add a page. So this is how you add a page. And the name of the page, you have to create 5 lesson plans for me. 5 LMU lesson plans. So let's LMU lesson plan number 1. Let's put it under the home page. Click Create. Here we are. Save it. And if you have, when you're ready to load content, you just paste it in here. And then let's create one more. LMU lesson lesson number 2. There will be 5 of these that you'll have to do, and put it under the same place. So put it under the home page. Click create. And here it is. Click save. And here's your navigation, your home page. Then here's lesson 1, lesson 2. So you add pages with this one, you edit pages with this. The more bar has some very nice, let me just talk you through this. The revision history is very handy in case you ever lose your entire website. If you click on revision history, you can restore an older version, and therefore you would get all your work back. Page settings might be helpful for you if you want to change the defaults. Delete page if you want, if you ever create something that you don't want to have, you just delete it. Page templates, no, we're not working with any templates, although you might want to set a template up once you've got your LMU lesson plan all set up. And then you could edit the site layout, you can manage the site, that has some, you're not going to make any money, but manage site, let's just click on that. If you ever need to look at specifically what pages, if you want to see your attachments, I don't want you to do any attachments. I'll let you know if I do, but I don't. When you surf the web, do you want to download attachments? No, nobody does. So we're going to try to avoid those. And yeah, I think that'll do it for now. So let's go back to your site. Here, and click on home, and here's your URL. Copy it. Once you've copied it, go to this website, which is the class's website, and under schedule number 1, there's a what's your URL. Click on that. Put your last name, the email for this class, the one I'm using is drayjen5252@gmail.com, and the URL, just the thing that we just copied, and then click submit. And that way I will know what your URL is. All right, well, that'll end lesson number 1. See you next lesson.